will changing my citizenship speed up my green card application? The answer is no. How long you're going to wait in the green card application besides the paperwork processing time depends on what category you are applying and whether there's a waiting period for that category. How to tell if the waiting period is short or long, it depends on the demand on the quota. We have a certain amount of the quota allocated to different immigrant category, and each country can have maximum 7% of the quota pool. If the people from that country exist the quota allocated to that category, there is a line. You have to wait. Right now, people from China and India has a long waiting in all kinds of family-based immigrant petition and employment-based immigrant petition. That's because the demand is way higher than the quota. Then people would think, if we change a citizenship, would I be able to subject to the quota allocated to that country, to a different country than my birth country? The answer is no, because the waiting period is not determined by your citizenship. It's determined by your birth country. So you will never be able to change your birth country. Even you change your citizenship, that will not speed up your green card waiting period. However, a third country citizenship is helpful because it may open up a new revenue for you to apply for more visa, because we have certain visa that's only available for certain countries. For example, if you are from mainland China, you probably are not eligible for e-visa. But if you have a third country citizenship and that country is in the e-visa list, then you probably would be able to apply for e-visa. If you are the citizen of Canada and Mexico, you probably are eligible for TN working visa. If you are a citizen for Chile and Singapore, you are eligible for H-1B1 working visa. So we have a certain visa type that's available to a certain country. If you change your citizenship, you probably would be able to have more options in terms of applying for visa. But for green card processing, changing a citizenship would not help. Another benefit of having a different citizenship would be different kind of passport will give you different level of convenience. For example, we have a passport index. The index is ranking different passport based on 3 scenarios. One is the visa waive country offered to that passport. The other is visa on arrival countries. And then the third category is you require visa before you go to that country. So in this passport index, we will see United States US passport is ranking number 1 because it has 125 country waive the visa for US citizen, and 55 country they have visa on arrival for US citizen, and only 18 country would request you apply for a visa before you go. And the second level of in this index, including a few countries, they have Sweden, Germany, Finland, Spain, France, Italy. They only have 25 countries that request you apply a visa before you go. So a third country's citizenship definitely can offer you a different level of convenience if you are thinking about the benefit of getting another citizenship.